America's most trusted brand, Olympic. How to apply stain to a deck. So your space is clean, the sky is clear, and you're ready to start staining, right? Pump the brakes. Since stain can look different on different types of wood, it's important to test a small section first. Make sure the stain you bought looks like the stain you imagined. Because while washing your wood surface with Olympic Brightener or Olympic Deck Cleaner will help bring out the true color of the stain you chose, it never hurts to be certain. Assuming everything looks good, you're actually going to start with stairs, railings, and trim. And be sure to put down a drop cloth. Anything that drips on the deck will show up later. Now here, we suggest you use a brush for those vertical surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. Once the stairs and railings are done, fill your tray and break out that roller. It's time to stain the surface. Be sure to apply using long, even strokes along the full length of a few boards at a time, always with the grain and while keeping a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Here's a pro tip. Anytime you apply with a roller, back brush to achieve even application and a uniform appearance. Brush to ensure the stain soaks in everywhere, like in between the boards. Once you're underway, stain without interruption so that your deck dries uniformly. One coat is all you need with Olympic Maximum and Olympic Elite Clear, transparent, and semi-transparent stains. But for solid stains, it's best to apply 2 coats. After you're finished, let the sun do its work while you get that inaugural cookout on the calendar. To recap, here's what you need to know about applying stain to your deck. Many DIYers ask what day is best for staining. The shortest answer is a clear day. But products like Olympic Maximum Semi-Transparent Stain with weather-ready application make your project a bit easier to schedule. This powerful stain allows you to apply on damp wood and is rain-ready after just 8 hours. With other stains, however, you'll want to make sure there's no precipitation in the forecast for 24 hours before and after you stain. Assuming the skies are clear, consider staining on a Sunday. That way your deck can dry during the week and be ready by the time the next weekend rolls around. Here's a quick tip for those lucky DIYers with larger decks. When you're staining with more than one can, mix each of your stain cans into a bucket before getting started. This ensures color uniformity across your deck. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button or visit Olympic.com for more videos just like this one.